Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing Bonnie figure and the Foxy figure from 5 Nights at Freddy's. So let's begin. So we're going to start off with Foxy, because why not? He comes with Springtrap's head and torso. On the back it shows Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, Golden Freddy, Foxy and Springtrap. Each character comes with a part of Springtrap, like Chica over here came with his right leg. Freddy comes with one of the arms, Golden Freddy comes with one of the arms, and Bonnie comes with the left leg. Yeah, nothing else really about it. And the same goes for Bonnie, so let's open it up. Okay, there we go. So now we just pop Springtrap's torso out. Put that there for now. And then pop Foxy out. Sorry about the car, I just had to go get some scissors. So here he is. He's really well detailed. Has all the withering, he has his shorts, the endo legs. Yeah, it's a really good one. I thought maybe Foxy has a yellow tooth, I can't really remember. If so, then I forgot to add that. Yeah, it looks exactly like him. And then here is Springtrap thing. Also, by the way, Foxy came with no accessory. So now that I have him, I can pop the leg on. There we go. That looks cursed as hell, but who cares? Yeah. I don't know what to say. Now here's Bonnie. We're gonna do the exact same thing. Okay, so here is. Okay, so here is Bonnie himself. He's like a dirty texture on his belly, which I think is a cool detail. He has those ugly upper teeth, and for some reason he's like looking up. I don't know why. Let me just something. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Anyways, his cottontail's not painted, sadly. And he comes with this guitar. Oh crap, that is on. Yep, anyways, it says guitar. I can't not bother to try and fit it in. There we go. And then here's Springtrap's other leg. Here we go. Get it. Right, so this looks really weird because he has not his arms. So, I can't wait to go get Freddy to do his arm. Thing is, with the silver, I got Bonnie and Foxy. Didn't have Golden Freddy in. So I might buy 2 Freddys. It'll look not perfect, but it'll still look like it. So yeah guys, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.